go. Oh, that's not a ball, that.
Look at this little kitten. Hey. Oh, did she say hi?
Hi, Boxer. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Pretty fat.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
It's gonna be hot.
Oliver.
As a crackhead, the first time we introduce you to the cat we have, you're gonna actually.
Macaroni turns one. Oh, ow.
This is a bit too light.
What was that shit?
God, what are you doing?
Are you part dog?
Is our cat is outside too.
Oh my god.
Don't do it. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Hoş geldin.
It's not that serious. I'm just hugging him, man. Hey, you gotta do it. And every time it.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Come here.
Your demise.
Oh no!
Oh my god!
Oh no! No.
They heard the can open.
Hey, come here, come on.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
Comet, I love you.
Oh my god!
Hi, Pinkle.
Yeah. I feel he's.
No, he's gonna make it. Oh shit.
Come on, guys.
Okay.
Kane, let's go.
Go on. Say.
What? Don't tell me he's in it.
This is Leo.
Hey. Okay.
Come here, guy. Buddy.
Oh, those are my Cheetos.
Huh?
Stop.
Go, baby, go. Scare him. Get him, Toes. Get him.
To you too. Ew, she has a hairball in her mouth.
People, it would scare them if they knew how smart she is.
I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
No.
Bitch.
I'm sorry.
Riot, do you want to get neutered? Whoa.
Vậy bạn ơi.
I thought today was your day with the brain cell. What happened?
Are you stuck?
Hai giờ trước thằng ra không ạ?